Yellow color what?
Rope.
And where you are going today?
I'm going to ride cycle.
Oh wow, you're going to ride cycle. Let's go. And who are these? Hello. Hello, dogs are sleeping. Say hi to dog. You're going to say hi to dog.
Yeah.
Oh, hello dog. Why they are so sleepy? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. You go. I'm following you. Ash, what are you doing?
I'm riding my cycle.
You are riding your cycle.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please say something about your cycle?
This is a wheel.
This is wheel. Wow, what we do with the wheel?
We ride
What?
the cycle.
What is there inside the wheel?
Rubber.
No, what is there inside the rubber?
Silk.
No, what is there inside the rubber?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't feel air inside the rubber?
Yeah.
So what is there inside the rubber?
Air.
Okay, show me all the part of your cycle. Show me.
Like this, I will
Show me.
show you one example.
What example?
When we don't have wheels, so how we can ride? So they put wheels, so we can ride.
Oh, because of the wheels you are riding a cycle. Just park it.
Yeah.
Now show all the parts. Now you have shown us the wheel. Now show other parts. You have a stand also. You have a stand.
Ayoma.
Where the stand? Where the stand? Okay, what else you have? Other thing?
What is that sound?
I am asking about a cycle. You tell me about a cycle.
When we don't have this, so
Okay.
how
You have a cycle wheel. Then what else?
the brake?
Brake. What are the brakes? Where are the brakes? Can you show me a brake? Can you show me a brake? Where are the brakes? Vedansh. These are the brakes. Okay. How the brake happened? What are these wires? What are these wires?
Wires for connecting.
Connecting what? This is the brake of the cycle.
Yeah.
Over here is the brake, and it goes wire. It goes over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And where the other brake?
Yeah.
Over here. Wow, the brake of the cycle. Okay, what else? Tire you have shown us. You have shown us the brake. What else you are going to show us now? Tell me.
I will show you.
Oh, this is what? The metal part.
Yeah.
What is there in the metal part?
Metal.
Metal, okay. And what else left? Where the chassis of the cycle chassis? Where the cycle chassis? Oh, this is the cycle chassis, a body of the cycle. And where the pedals? Where the pedals of cycle? Oh, that is a pedal. What happened with the pedal? What do you do with the pedals? You put a leg on this. And what rides? What rides the cycle? How you able to ride the cycle? With what?
With the
Where the energy you get the energy? Where you get the energy?
pedal.
Where you get the energy from?
One has came.
Rivan has came. Oh wow, Rivan. Hi, how are you? He is Ved's friend, Rivan. Say hi.
Why you wear kurta pajama?
Okay, show me where the chain of the cycle. Chain.
It
What does chain do? Tell me, Vedansh.
moved the wheel backside.
It move the wheel backside. So where you put the pressure on over here,
Yeah.
and you put the pressure, and because of the pressure that wheels rotate.
Yeah.
So this pressure goes over here, and because of that wheels rotate. Okay. What's the color of a cycle?
Orange and blue.
Orange, blue, and what else?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
And where is the bell? Is there any bag or something? Oh wow. Okay. You have a water bottle also on your cycle.
Yes. Now can we ride it?
You have. Can you see how many cycles you can see over here?
2,
Two,
3.
three. Show me that cycle. Wow, it is very thin cycle. Wow. What is the difference? What is the difference in this cycle and your cycle?
This cycle tires are fat and fat.
This cycle tires are fat or thin. Thin,
And
okay.
mine is fat.
And what else?
Can you one time make
What else? What else? What else? What is the color of this cycle?
white,
White and
black and
or what is color of that cycle?
green and black.
This cycle I'm talking about. That cycle, your cycle.
Blue and orange and black.
Oh, and what else? What else
Oh,
difference?
Rivan, come over here.
What all difference you can see? Can you see a gears over here?
Yeah.
This cycle has a gear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have a gear in your cycle?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Do you have a gears in your cycle?
No.
No. This cycle have a gears.
Where is the gear?
You can see the gears over here.
Why?
gears. These are gears,
Why
all the
I
gears.
don't have gears?
Because this is your cycle is small cycle, and see these are the switch of the gears. Which are the switch? Gear switch. No, you cannot do like this. And you have 1, 2, 3 over here. 1, 2, 3 gear. 1, 2, 3 gear. Okay. And do your cycle have a suspension?
Yeah.
Where the suspension? Where the shock absorber? I have a shock absorber over here. Do you have a shock absorber? Oh wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Vedansh fall down. So funny, yes?
No.
Is it funny? Where the shock absorber? Where the shock absorber? What happened? Oh, you can play in the rain. Where is the suspension? Tell me in the cycle.
When rain comes, this all the kicker will get removed.
Yeah. Where the suspension in your bicycle? No suspension. No suspension. See, in my cycle there is suspension. Get my cycle over here. Get my cycle over here. Hello, Rivan. How are you? What are you doing? You also riding a cycle? You love a cycle or what?
Yes.
And you enjoy a cycle. What is the color of a cycle?
My color of cycle is black
Grey.
and green.
Black and green. Wow. Put it over here. Can you show me where the suspension over here? Where the suspension?
Oh,
Put it on the handle. Where the suspension?
Can you get down off your cycle?
I'm going to do it.
Can you just park it here?
Park it over here nearby. 3 cycles are parking.
I will come back.
You'll come back. Show me where the suspension in your cycle. Can you see suspension in my cycle? Actually play. And you can see the gears in my cycle.
Yeah.
Your cycle doesn't have a gear. And why we use the gears in cycle?
Because
If you go uphill, you use down gear. And if you go downhill, you lose the gear. Okay? And how many gears are there?
Park it here nearby. What?
Park it in the middle. Oh wow, the 3 cycles. Say hello. Okay. Let's ride a cycle. To ride a cycle?
Yes.
Are you ready to ride a cycle with?
Yeah.
Sure?
Sure.
Which cycle you are riding? And with my cycle.
Here.
Okay. So my cycle has gears and suspension. Your cycle doesn't have a gears.
Also.
Huh?
Why your cycle has a sticky clay?
Sticky clay. Because it is old cycle, no. That is why it has a sticky clay. Wait, you want to fall down again or what? You want to fall down again or what? Then why are you holding like this? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
And you are curious?
Curious way.
Wait, bye bye.
Bye.
You are riding a cycle?
Yeah. Can you hold me?
Why I should hold you? You ride by yourself, no?
No.
Why?
No, I cannot stand that.
Why?
I cannot.
Why, but?
I cannot.
Chalo, I'll hold you. Go. Go. Go.
Banana.
Come again, what are you saying?
When I was braking, my whole tire just was up.
What whole tire we gone up?
It was up.
Okay. Now what your plan?
Can you hold me?
What's your plan?
I took
Hello,
my
Diwan.
cycle.
Wait, I hold you.
Hold me?
Hi.
Hey.
Go.
After.
Slow, guys.